How to enable or disable hide from notification panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on notifications. So after click on notifications, click on do not disturb. So after click on do not disturb, scroll down and click on hide notifications. So after click on hide notifications, so click on, you will see hide from notification panel is here. So if you want to enable hide from notification panel, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see hide from notification panel is enabled. So if you want to disable hide from notification panel, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see hide from notification panel is disabled. So you will enable or disable hide from notification panel from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable hide from notification panel during on do not disturb on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.